Hi guys, welcome back to Zookme. We just purchased this 30-inch one-drawer service car, obviously from Harbor Freight, to try it out. Sorry, too many cameras. So we're going to open it, put it together. We originally bought this for the welder and the plasma cutter. So we're going to see if they fit, hopefully. Let's get to it. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay. Ow, son of a... Must discharge. Okay, we're good. Whew. That was a jolt that I didn't need.
You're a mess.
Okay, so the instructions that we got, they are very vague. So step 1 is done, and step 2 is done for us. So it tells you have to have all these bolts and washers and nuts. There's multiple sizes in the bag, and it does not tell you which one to use. So one bolt left over. I'm pretty sure it says that in the instructions too, that there would be extra pieces, so. I'm just kidding, I know we put it all on. Okay, so now we are just okay. Now we're gonna go try to put, oh, that's like a slide. Now we're going to try to put the welder and the plasma cutter on here. So if it doesn't fit, that's okay. This thing is still cool, and we would use it for sure. What do you think?
They both fit, and it's the right colors.
So,
the drawer is really nice.
It is. This is nice. And it's big.
Yeah, put welding gloves and stuff in there. Tools and things.
Yeah, so.
It was a win for being on sale for 89 bucks.
Yep.
It's usually 129. Harbor Freight. Definitely check this out.
Yep. All right. Bye.